forecast from me, Vann. So I think we're gonna be going. Oh, and seems like most places have had a power outage here at my granddad's house. We're staying up close in his yard right now. We have had a power outage, and we're hoping power comes back soon. Milk that we don't want to rot, no. My granddad didn't want none. But ice bags around. If you have a power outage and you don't want your milk going bad, I suggest you do the same. So, in a few minutes, we'll...
Oh, God.
Is that a deer?
That's a dog.
Showed over at the dog. And right there you can see a truck almost, the poor little dog, and gosh, truck! Well, in a few minutes we'll bring you up to date from inside my granddad's house where the power is going out.